Hi, good afternoon friends. I'm Rajesh here from Dubai. Today I'm going to introduce brand new SANY excavators. This is 36.5 ton. This model is SY365H. Just we delivered just 2 hours back. So I'll show you all the features and function of this machine. Please come with me. First, I'll show you the cabin. Here you can see hydraulic lock control lever. Once it locked, all the hydraulic function will get locked. This is one of the safety system and most of the machine has the same type of function. Let me get inside first. This is overall view of the cabin. So you can see all the controlling joysticks over here. First, let's see how to operate right joysticks and what are the functions of it. The movement of left and right joysticks indicate the bucket in and out, and the movement of forward and backward indicate boom down and up, and horn switch placed on the top. Same way, let's see function of the left joysticks. The movement of left and right indicate the swing left and right, and the movement of forward and backward indicate arm out and in. Show you the display monitor. This is touchscreen monitor with the function keys. This shows all important parameters like working mode, temperature, fuel gauge, engine speed, extras. This is travel lever and travel pedal. This is used to move the machine to and fro. There is an additional pedal nearby, travel pedal, which is used for the control the hydraulic attachment tools like breakers and other attachments. Here you can see 2 AC ventilators and 12 watts mobile charging adapter. After that you can see a starting switch, fuel control dial, working lamp, headlamp switch, windshield wiper and washer switch, and down a preheat switch. This is front glass lock and you can open completely for direct view, and here's sunshade also here. This is top view of roof. You can open it completely. If you come to back side, you can see 2 speakers are here, and downside you can see 4 AC ventilator. Left side you can see a safe box, you can keep your personal belongings. Fire extinguisher also placed here for safety. These panels are radio and AC control units. This is outer view of the operation cabin. The cabins are strengthened by strong steel cages. If you open first cabin, you can see air filters, control box, hydraulic valves, batteries and wiper water tank. And second cabin, you can see huge radiator panel. This is backside of SANY excavator with the white SANY brand. This is hydraulic compartment. Here you can see hydraulic motors and other filters. Things you can see here: 3 level of water separator from fuel. Water separator can be remove the water in fuel and prevent the fuel system failures. This is main hydraulic pump from Kawasaki, Japan, and it's give a maximum flow of 2 into 360 liter per minute. It's a variable capacity piston pump. Hydraulic flow used for positive control system. You can go through this chart and each and every flow systems are defined. This is the area for fuel and hydraulic tank. Fuel tank capacity was 620 liters and its hydraulic tank capacity was 380 liters. Let's go to top of the excavator and see what are the components there. Right hand side you can see main hydraulic filters. What you see in here is a swing motors, and beside the swing motor you can see hydraulic valves. Both hydraulic and swing motors are from Kawasaki, Japan. This is engine bonnet. Let's open and see. This is 212 kilowatts and 2000 RPM engine from Isuzu. Here you can see strong metal guard to protect the operating cab. Here you can see a set of hydraulic hoses. This is connecting to arm, boom and bucket hydraulic cylinders. Let's talk about excavator arm and boom. Arm length is 2900 mm and boom length is 6470 mm. And same machine have option of extended boom length for the different applications. Bucket digging force 235 Newton and arm digging force 180 Newton. This is operation chart of excavators. Here you can see digging height, dumping height, digging depth and all. Arm and booms are more strengthened by using additional hard rock steel plates. Here you can see additional hydraulic piping kit for breaker attachments. This machine have 1.6 cubic meter hard rock bucket and 5 teeth point for the smooth function of the excavator. Here also bucket has strengthened by using additional steel plates. Next, let's talk about the undercarriage. They were used X-frame undercarriage with a 600 mm shoes. Each side contained 49 track shoes, 2 cadder rollers and 9 track rollers. Here is the complete transportation dimension of SANY SCC365H excavator. Since last 2 months this operator operating this excavator, so let's try to take direct feedback from him.
முன்னாடி ஏதோ மிஷின் ஓடி ட்ரை பண்ணிருக்கு.
முன்னாடி சாக்சஸ் ஜாக்சஸ்
no Hitachi Axis. उससे भी कंपेयर करेंगे तो कैसे?
अच्छा
हिटाची से कंपेयर करेंगे तो आपको कैसे क्या फील हो रहा है ऑपरेट करने के लिए?
இது நல்லா இருக்கு
சானி நல்லா இருக்கு.
நல்லா இருக்கு ஆனா இது நல்லா இருக்கு
ஃபுல்லா ஸ்ட்ராங்கா இருக்கு, வைப்ரேஷன் ஒன்றும் இல்லை.
பேக் வெயிட்
500 ஆப்ரேட் பண்ணீங்க
500 வரும்
இல்ல
Welcome back. Currently, SANY has 25 manufacturing bases all over the world, and in these 6 manufacturing industrial parks are in China. Apart from this, SANY has 4 manufacturing and R&D units outside China, that is in India, Germany, USA and Brazil. SANY is supplying excavator in different respects of all over the world for the different operation of work environment. For example, now you saw SANY SY365H, but SANY has more than 3 variants of same model, like SY365C, H, LC, etc. In some territory, engine comes with the Cummins and Isuzu and inbuilt GPS system also. I hope this video gives basic information about SY365H SANY excavator. If this video feels informative for you, please like and comment and your valuable feedbacks and suggestions. Thank you for watching. See you next time.